All right, guys. So today I want to walk you through how to clear or remove or delete or disable your search history on YouTube. Now, I'm going to walk you through this two ways. One is on your mobile device, and the other one is going to be the desktop version. So I'll put some chapters here to help you navigate. When this video helps you, if you could do me a favor, consider subscribing or at least liking the video. It's a really easy way to support the work we're doing here. And honestly, I just really appreciate it. But with that, let's jump in. Now, we'll start with mobile. And what we need to do here is select this U section down at the bottom right. Here you can see your history, right? You can see the videos that you watched and all that fun stuff. We need to go a little bit deeper than this. So in the settings wheel up top, open that up and go down to manage all history. And this is going to open up your YouTube history section. Now here, and it's going to show you what you've watched, what you've searched. And this is where you're going to manage all of this stuff. So we have a lot of options here. We have this delete option here where we can either delete today, we can delete a custom range, or we can delete all time. We also have this auto delete here. If we open this section, you can set our search or watch history to delete automatically after a certain time period. So there is 3 months, 18 months, and 36 months. So if I had this on, anything that I searched past 3 months ago would have automatically already deleted. Leave that on. You can turn that on if you want. I'm going to leave mine off now. In the controls section, this controls button up top, you can also pause your YouTube search history. This is what this is going to do. It's not going to delete the videos that you've watched, but it's just going to pause the clocking your search history. So another interesting option you have here inside of the controls section. I will also keep in mind that, this does help personalize the videos that you see. Every search, every video that you watch goes into the algorithm. So if you want more customized watching options, it's good to keep this. But if you're worried about your privacy, which is fair, you can get rid of it. Now with that, we can jump over to the desktop version. I'll walk you through how to do it over there. All right. So inside of YouTube on the desktop experience, for some reason, these steps, they don't align one-to-one mobile to the desktop experience. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. Now we need to open up our little profile icon over here. And in this section, we are going to find your data in YouTube. Here we are. So here it's going to, high level, give us a look at all of the data that we've contributed to YouTube, as well as our watch history and our search history here. We want to work with the search history. So I'm going to hang out here. Now there's this on check mark. If you open this here, you can actually decide whether or not you want to include your searches on YouTube. That means if you turn this off, it's no longer going to log your search history. Keep in mind that this is going to limit your personalized experience on platform. I'm going to leave mine on. So we also have the ability down here to manage our YouTube search history. So I'll click this, and this is very similar to the page we were looking at on mobile. We have the option here to delete. We can delete today, we can delete a custom range, or we can delete all time. This is going to delete all of your search history. Cancel that because I don't want to delete it. We can also choose a time period for our search history to auto delete. We have 36 months, 18 months, and 3 months. This means that if we were to select 3 months, anything that I've searched for over 3 months ago would automatically delete. We keep that on. Just your options here. So that's high level how we're going to manage our search history on YouTube on the desktop experience. I hope this helps you guys. And if it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.